Anglong. Today I call upon a press meet on regards of Gunotsav 2023. In our midst, in this press meet, our Secretary Education, Mrs. Nirula Pangchopi, Joint Secretary, Mrs. Nirupama Timumpi, DMC of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council of East Karbi Anglong, and along with us, 9 Pathak, ASI of West Karbi Anglong District. Today, in the first phase, we are going to start from tomorrow onward, that is 19 till 21. Gunotsav is an initiative of the state government that focuses mainly on the assessment of learning outcomes of children for identifying learning gaps and subsequently designing remedial measures for improvement. There will be a self-evaluation followed by external evaluation. The evaluation will consist of scholastics, co-scholastic, and community participation covering class 1 to 9. And based on the performance of student, assessment will be made. Accordingly, school will be evaluated based on 90% on scholastic and 5% each on co-scholastics. Tools means question papers have also been prepared on the basis of learning outcomes. After analyzing the learning levels and identifying the learning gaps, a suitable strategic action plan is expected to be designed to improve when necessary. Gunotsav have been started from the year of 2017. First and second in the year of 2018, third in the year of 2019. But due to the pandemic, there was a gap. So this is the fourth time, 2023, the Gunotsav going to start from tomorrow. And for that, there is a category wise for external evaluator, starting from Honorable CEM. And along with me as I am EM in charge of education, there will be EM, all the 13 members of the EM of the councils, and the MLA, MP, and Honorable Chairman and Deputy Chairman. Details of summary of Gunotsav in Karbi Anglong, you kindly note down. There is 7 blocks in Karbi Anglong. Number of school. Primary, 1100. Primary with upper primary, 5. Upper primary only 147. Upper primary, secondary and higher secondary 16. Upper primary and secondary is 66. Secondary is only 6. There is 10 secondary with higher secondary 2 and grand total 1342. There is only the cover of school category wise. So Gunotsav is going on from today. Langsomipi, Lumbazo, Nilip, Romongwe, Sami Langsu. Out of that, number of school cohort in Bokazan is 264. Hauraghat 247, Langsomipi 150, Lumbajong 235, Nilip 150, Romongwe 128, and Sami Langsu 168. Number of enrollment, student enrollment. In Bokazan, 17,525. Haraghat, 15,684. Langsomipi, 8,001. Lumbajong, 16,771. Nilip, 6,106. Romongwe, 4,957. Sami Langsu, 8,919. Total 77,963. Number of groups are there. I won't go for that. But number of external evaluator, I'll tell you about that. Bokazan is 92, Haraghat 93, Langsomipi 56, Lumbajong 88, Nilip 65, Rongbongwe 70, Samilangso 83. 547 will be evaluator external. And there is a school which enrollment have more than 250. Those schools are in Bokazan, only 6 schools are there. Haraghat 8, Langsomipi 5, Lumbajong 10, Nilip 4, Rongnongwi is 0. And Samilangso is 6 to 39 school. There are 250 more than that of enrollment of students. Reserve external evaluator, that is, I don't go for that. But total external evaluator, that is 108 in Bokazan, Haraghat 111, Langsomipi 67, Lumbajong 107, Nilip 76, Rongnongwe 77, Samilangso 98. Grand total all of the evaluator is 644. You may get this press sheet of paper with us after my press conference is over. SMC and along with the school from today onward. That is only the reading part. So from tomorrow, we 4 of us over here also, we have got our own duty. And I request all the external evaluator, I give my best wishes to them also. Please don't be absent until and unless if your health is good, carry on, go ahead. So that this is a part of a reformation of the education system. Because the only way to bring from darkness to light is education movement is very important. And today, why I have to call upon you all for this press meet is that please cooperate with us. That is my final call to all the media friends also, and to the general, to the public people, to cooperate, and to all the student organization also, social organization also, so that this Gunotsav will be a great success to us. Thank you, and very best wishes to you.